Good morning, children. Welcome to online class. I hope you are all safe at home. So, this is your science class. Shall we start? Today, you are going to study about first lesson food from plants. So, plants gives us food. So, what are the variety of food available that we are going to see in this lesson? So, one morning, Mani and his grandfather were walking in the garden. The garden contained lot of vegetables and fruits. Mani asked his grandfather, "Tomato and brinjal grow above the soil. Why does groundnut grow under the ground?" The grandfather answered, "Groundnut plant stores its food in its roots. So it grows under the ground. Roots will be under the ground." Mani and his grandfather walked home talking with each other. Then Mani and his father went to market to buy provisions. So in a vegetable shop, looking at the potato, Mani asked, "Why there is mud on the potato?" The answer Mani got from the potato is, "I grow below the ground. I store food in the underground stem. So I have mud on me." Okay, so plants store their food in different parts. So in the previous examples, we have seen groundnut which stores food in roots, and similarly potato also grows under the ground and stores its food in the stem. So plants store their food in different parts like the root, the leaf, the stem, the flower, the fruit and the seed. So let us see some examples. First, the root. So what are the food that is stored in the root? Okay, tell along with me the name of the food. First, what is this? Carrot. Yes. Spell again. Carrot. Then this. Yes, it is beetroot. What is this? Beetroot. Third, what is this? Radish. Radish. And next, tapioca. So carrot, beetroot, radish, tapioca store their food in root. Do you understand? Okay. Next. What is this? Stem. Yes, the stem. So what are the food items in stem? What is this? Good. Onion. So onion. Again repeat it. Onion. Next. What is this? Yes. Sugar cane. Good. And next. This is good. It's potato. And next. This is ginger. What is this? Ginger. So say along with me. Next. This is turmeric. So say the names along with me. First, onion. Next, sugarcane, potato, ginger, and turmeric. All these store their food in stem. Okay, shall we go to the next one? So next one is, what is this? The leaves. So storing of food in the leaves. So can you guess anything? Yes. First, this is cabbage. What is this? Cabbage. Next, this is greens. All the green leaves. Next, this is mint. Okay. So repeat it again. Cabbage, greens, mint. All these things store their food in leaf. Okay. The next one. What is this? Yes, the flower. Good. So can you guess what are the flowers used for storage? Okay. This is your banana flower. And the next one is cauliflower. So what is this? Banana flower. And the second one is cauliflower. These two store their food in flour. Flower. Okay. Do you understand? Next one. Unripe fruits. So fruits, unripe as well as ripe fruits. So what are the unripe fruits we have? What is this? Lady's finger. Good. The next one is bitter gourd. I think so no one will eat all these unripe fruits. All of you hate these unripe fruits. Is it so? Next, this is your favorite drumstick. So repeat the unripe fruits. Lady's finger, bitter gourd, and drumstick. Good. The next one is your ripe fruits. So what are the ripe fruits? Banana. So this is banana. Good. Next, grapes. Yummy grapes. And the third one is guava. So all these are your favorite foods. I know. Okay. Shall we repeat the names? Banana, grapes, and guava. So these are your ripe fruits. Next. So seeds. Even seeds store food. So the seeds, the first type is cereals or cereals. This is your, yes, paddy, the rice we eat. Stores food in seed. Next, yes, this is your wheat. What is this? Wheat. Next, this is millet. Next, this is corn. And next, this is your maize. So shall we repeat? The seed, paddy, wheat, millet, corn, and maize. Good. The next one, the same seed but pulses. So what are the pulses available? Red gram, which will be using in your food. Next one, green gram, and the third one is black gram. So what are the pulses available? Red gram, green gram, and the black gram. Okay, good. The next one, oil seeds. The seeds which contains oil. So what are the seeds? What is this? Yes, it is coconut. You are getting coconut oil from coconut. And then sesame. So you get oil from sesame. And third one, groundnut. Yes, you get groundnut oil from groundnut. Okay. Shall we go for a test on activity? Yes. So you take your notebook or your classwork, rough notebook. Just copy this. Put a tick mark. Which part of the plant is edible? So for example, greens. For greens, which part is edible? Yes, it is leaf. So put a tick mark in leaf. Okay. Do this for all the other examples. Write down this in your classwork. Okay. Good. Next. So plants prepare their own food with the help of sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide using chlorophyll present in their leaves. And this process is called photosynthesis. So photo means light. Synthesis means producing or production. So from the light, it is going to produce food. So see in this diagram. So from the sun, there are light reaching the plant, and this plant using the water and mineral preparing the food and using carbon dioxide also, and it is releasing oxygen. So this oxygen is being used by human beings. Okay, so plant prepare and store their own food. So food stored by the plants is useful for all living organisms. Okay, next thing is seed germination. So where does a plant start to grow? Yes, from the seed. So germination is the process by which a plant emerges from the seed. So from the seed, it starts growing. So what is necessary for the growth? Soil, air and water and sunlight are essential for seed germination. So you have various stages. So this is a seed which you put up inside the ground, under the ground. So from the seed, the root will start growing, and then the upper part, the leaf will come, and at last a small plant will emerge. So this is a stages of seed germination. So see this. So from the seed, the root gets, and then the leaf and the flower all emerges. Okay. So you have an activity. Take your rough notebook. Pause the video, the previous slide. Look at the diagram and draw the stages of seed germination. So you are going to draw the stages of seed germination. Okay, you have to color it also. Okay, next. So that's all with your classes. Topic in your first lesson. So shall we go for a recap? Say true or false for the following sentences. So groundnut is the stem of the plant. Is it true or false? Yes, it is false. Okay. So sunlight is essential for germination of the seeds. Yes, it is true. Okay. So write this in your notebook. Watch the video again and Find out the answers, which one is true and which one is false. And write down in your classwork or your rough notebook. Also, do this match the following. So, which one is from root and which one is a seed, which one is a leaf, stem and flower. So these are the food items that is being stored in different parts of the plant. You have to match which part of the plant stores food correctly with the example given. Okay, thank you.